Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be a quick flip. I did find this on the side of the road, but I hope you like this video and I hope you're having a great Monday. I am going to try to upload another video this week for you guys, so stay tuned, if not for sure next week. But again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you haven't already, subscribe, like this video. See you on the next one. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.